Do you know how much water it took to produce this hamburger? 2,393 litres. What about those chips on the side? How do the products used to grow the potatoes affect pollinating insects and human health? From feeding and transporting cattle to processing food, the way we eat today is not sustainable. The EU wants to make Europe's food supply chain more viable with the new farm-to-fork strategy. That means protecting the environment, biodiversity, farmers and people's health. Parliament wants to be even more ambitious.
We want to do more on the question of food security in the European Union. We want to do more of the question of self-sufficiency, and we want to bring in the lessons learned from the COVID-19 crisis when it comes to food supply.
Farmers are at the start of the agri-food supply chain. MEPs want to support them along with fisheries and fish farms during the transition towards sustainable agriculture.
Unsustainable food production is a danger to human health, but also to animal health. It's a danger to our environment. We have to start producing our food in a more sustainable and green way.
Parliament wants to reduce dependence on pesticides and stop the degradation of farmland. Another challenge that the EU is set on tackling through a more modern approach to food production is food waste. 88 million tonnes of food is thrown away in the EU every year. Parliament wants to cut that in half by 2030.